Threading a needle using sewing thread and embroidery floss. Sewing thread is pretty thin, so it doesn't always require the use of a needle threader. To thread the needle, we're going to look at the head of the needle for the hole, which is called the eye. It's very hard to see on camera. We're going to grab the thread by the end and carefully guide it through the hole of the needle. Because sewing thread is so thin, we're going to double it by putting the ends together and tying 2 knots. It's important to tie 2 knots, one right on top of the other, in the end so that we make the knot large enough to not go through the fabric that you're using. The trick is getting them on top of each other. So you can see here that I missed, so I have to tie it again and aim for the knots that are already there. There we go. And now I have a knot that is large enough that's not going to pop through whatever fabric I'm using. Embroidery floss, though, is thick, and it is not so easy to put it through the eye of the needle without using a needle threader. So you can see this needle threader has 2 ends. It has a large hook and a small hook. We're going to use the small hook because that's what fits through the eye of this needle. So we're going to take this small hook and guide it through the eye of the needle. And then we're going to let it sit right here in that little valley. Take your embroidery floss and put it on the hook. Now, here's the tricky part. You have to grab the embroidery floss and the needle at the same time. Then we're going to move our fingers all the way up to the head of the needle threader, kind of like we're pinching an ant. Now you can let go of everything because you've got it pinched so tightly. Grab just the needle and gently wiggle and pull. Make sure you don't pull the entire thread out, so you're going to have to grab the end of it. And now you have threaded your needle. Embroidery floss is thick. You do not need to double it. Just put a single knot at the end of your thread, and now you're ready to sew.